Hey, and welcome back. On this video, I want to share with you how you can land your first client, how to book your first client. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with your thoughts, and I will get right back to you. So here we go. The first stage is we need the qualification. So we need to make sure that we're going only after qualified people. And this is such an important part of this, of getting your first client, is the qualification. Because if you're going after everybody, then what happens is you're gonna waste a lot of your time talking to people that will not buy what you have because they don't need what you have. That's why qualification, it's such an important part of you booking your first client. So you need to be qualified, and that's where know your client needs comes in. So you need to know your client's needs. What is it that they need? You need to be very clear on that, and we teach this. You need to get on the phone to find out about your client's needs. And sometimes it's just going to the marketplace and doing some research won't do it. You need the feedback directly from the marketplace right here and right now. And what I mean right here, right now, in the day that you're in, or the week or the month, it keeps evolving. You need to keep knowing your client needs, what they're looking for, and not be general, not be just all over the place. You need to be very clear on that. Once you are clear on that, then everything to book your first client will become easy, and you're not going to spend a lot of time just going all over the place and wasting a lot of your time. Okay, so that's number one. You need to have that in dialed in. Okay, then what do you want to do is get in contact with those that are qualified only, right? Get in contact. So how would you do that? There's many ways. One I like a lot is Facebook groups, because Facebook groups they have communities of people there doing similar things, and you can tap into these communities, help them out for free, and then start direct messaging them, get in touch with them. Also, you could do cold calling, that is DMing them and then pushing them into a call. Very effective as well. And you can use your case studies from similar people that went through what you're teaching, and you have case studies. Case studies should be used because they're very valuable. And if you have no case studies or testimonials at all, one thing you can do is find somebody you can help them for free, and in return, ask for a testimonial, right? And that's a legit testimony. You actually help them do the exact thing that you said. So you can leverage those. Then you could leverage your network, the network that you already have, perhaps on Facebook, whatever social media that you have. You can spot your ideal customer, you know their needs, and those are the people that you connect with to book a call. And you can leverage your network and referrals. And referrals, you can literally, for instance, help somebody, and by helping them, in return, they could give you referrals. So what they'll do is perhaps you'll tell them your client avatar, the exact needs, and he can spot, the other person will spot some persons that are qualified and sending them over to you, right? So you can leverage referrals, and there's so many ways to do this. It's such a powerful way as well to get really quick your first client. Then you book a call, right? Because on the call is when you're going to learn about them, and then from a discovery call transition into a sales call, or you can make a recommendation. But yeah, and then don't justify the price after saying. You have to be silent at that stage. Let the person take in the price tag and think about, right? So don't justify the price after saying, because some people just say, oh, this is the price because there's this, and this. And, the first person speaking loses. So very important to do this part. Okay. And in a nutshell is this, right? This is what you need to do. And you can tap into other social media accounts to talk with your ideal customer, but you need to have the qualification in place. That's why we work a lot on the market research and client avatar. and really dialing those things in and really getting the market research from the market so that we understand really well the client's needs so that we can then spend less time and get more clients, because that's the exact people that we're trying to help. And this makes a whole lot of difference in everything you do online when you're looking for qualified leads. And just to give you an example, I remember I had this tool, it's called FlowChat, where you can DM a lot of people. The thing is, I was DMing loads of unqualified leads, and literally I was sending almost 150 messages a day, and still I wasn't getting sales. Why? Because the qualification, it wasn't on point. They're not qualified. This is the problem I see with a lot of people out there, is they just think the problem they have is traffic, leads. And with those things, they will solve the problem. No, you won't solve the problem. You only will solve it when you only talk to qualified leads. That's when things will become easy for you and everything will start making sense for you. So I hope that was valuable to you. Hope you got value out of this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and turn it into blue. And if you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you'd like. And if you know somebody that is struggling to land their first client, please share this video with them. Awesome. And now I'm making more videos weekly. So yeah, keep an eye on it. And below I will leave also the link so you can join the World Digital Marketing Academy Facebook community, where I go live multiple times, and there's so much value in there as well that you can tap into. And also, if you're ready, there's going to be a link below where it's going to ask you a couple of questions so we can learn more about you, and then you'll be able to schedule a time with me, Jim, or both of us. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.